can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at the king of the market, Bitcoin. Bitcoin trades above $45,000. We saw Bitcoin even get to as high as $47,000 on the 9th of January 2024. Extreme greed was experienced in the cryptocurrency market. Will Bitcoin rally to as high as $50,000 as we await Bitcoin spot ETF decision from the SEC? We got a false start yesterday. We heard that the spot ETF was approved. The SEC came out to say, you know what? Their Twitter account was hacked and they have not made any announcement on the issue. But we're going to finally get an announcement today. Where will Bitcoin price be heading? If we get today, what will impact of that announcement do to the market? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The last 1 month has seen Bitcoin rally up by 4.8%. Bitcoin still trades around the $44,000 region to the $46,000 region. Bitcoin had a hash spike yesterday that saw a lot of players getting liquidated. A fake Bitcoin announcement was made by the SEC website that Bitcoin spot ETF has been approved. The SEC did not have 2FA enabled. Ex-safety team on fake Bitcoin ETF post. The SEC false Bitcoin ETF announcement was result of a SIM swap attack, says the official ex-safety team, following a preliminary investigation. And we're hearing that Bitcoin ETF decision unlikely to be delayed due to the SEC hack because, guys, this made Bitcoin price start shooting to higher prices, higher values very, very quickly. We saw Bitcoin price going from where it was trading. Before the news came out, Bitcoin was trading around the $46,000 level. That news took Bitcoin to spike to as high as $47,900. But immediately Gary Gensler came on Twitter and said, you know what, that news didn't come from us. Bitcoin went back to Gobbling Town. My line for Bitcoin where things will get very, very ugly is where Bitcoin starts breaking below the $41,100 level. Right now, we're seeing a lot of divergence on Bitcoin. It means the RSI is heading the other direction and the price is heading the other direction. We see the price increasing in value, the RSI reducing. Bitcoin's RSI was higher when we were trading at $35,000 than it was when we got to that $47,000 level. That's actually a red flag. Right now, there's greed in the market. We saw extreme greed, guys. This bull run did just start yesterday. This bull run has started since November of 2022. Nobody should deceive you guys. There's been a very, very long journey. We have been talking about accumulating at the bottom, and we did. We accumulated at the bottom on this channel. We did so, buying Bitcoin at $15,000, buying Bitcoin at $16,000. Even if you got Bitcoin at $20,000, guys, you would have been in more than 100% profit. Right now, I'm sure the big players will be selling, taking some profit because it's not easy to buy the bottom. When you were buying the bottom, FTX just collapsed. When you were buying the bottom, Bitcoin is dead. Right now, BlackRock is coming to buy our bags. We're going to the moon. Guys, we are the retail investors. There are no retail investors coming to buy your bags. The best time to have bought Bitcoin was when it was down in Goblin Town. Right now, we're very close to the moon. I'm not saying Bitcoin can pump to higher prices, but I've told you guys my predictions since early 2023. When I made my 2023 predictions, I see Bitcoin getting to as high as $50,000 at best. Right now, with all the excitement in the market, I'm getting skeptical about that 50,000 target. But best case scenario for Bitcoiners will be Bitcoin getting to as high as 52,000 or 53,000, with Bitcoin hitting that $1 trillion market cap. It just looks very, very interesting to say Bitcoin is a $1 trillion market cap and product and assets. That would be very, very wonderful. And Bitcoin is very, very close to hitting that $1 trillion. We might not get there, but if we get there, Bitcoin just needs to rally up by around 15%. A 15% pump for Bitcoin. We'll see Bitcoin trading from $46,000. Bitcoin will go above $50,000 for the first time since early 2022. That will be very, very big news. I'm sure that will bring a lot of new players into the game. But remember, guys, who is selling for you? Who are you buying their bags from? Because the market is designed in such a way that when we're at the bottom, when it's the best time to buy, there's going to be a lot of negative news. And it's not as if anybody's punching that negative news. It's just the reality of things. At the bottom of the market, bad things are happening. At the bottom of the market, a lot of companies are folding up, and that is actually negative news. But at the top of the market, you're hearing more companies want to buy Bitcoin, more investors are interested in Bitcoin. Guys, that's just the news cycle. If you're watching this video, you're probably interested in Bitcoin. That's why you're watching it. But when Bitcoin was $16,000, ask yourself, what were you doing? Probably not checking the Bitcoin price chart. Probably not anticipating any news reports. But right now, the whole market in anticipation mode. I will not be shocked if the rally is already over. With Bitcoin sitting at $44,900. Yes, Bitcoin can still rally to higher values, giving us a 10-20%. But take a look at the altcoin market. A 10% move can happen any day in crypto, guys. A 10% to 15% move in crypto is nothing to write home about. We've seen altcoins giving us double-digit gains on a daily, normally. Right now, some altcoins are already up double-digit gains. On a weekly, we see a lot of altcoins doing crazier things. On a monthly, some altcoins can even go as high as 400, 500, 1,000% in a month. So I believe the party will be moving to the altcoin market, and we might see Bitcoin get stuck in that $46,000 to $50,000 level for like 1 week, 2 weeks before the decline will start. If you take a look at Bitcoin dominance, even got to as high as 55% yesterday. But right now, Bitcoin dominance has dropped to as low as 54%. I will not be shocked if Bitcoin dominance continue dumping to gobbling town. We've already seen a sign of weakness in Bitcoin dominance. On the 28th of December 2023, Bitcoin dominance dropped to as low as 51%. I will not be shocked if Bitcoin doesn't break below that 51% region and we see Bitcoin dominance around maybe 44%, maybe even less than that. I believe the spot ETF is going to get approved. I believe it's going to bring excitement to the market. But guys, we've talked about how excitement in the market is not good if you're a long-term investor. Yes, we want to see excitement in the market because we want to sell our bags. But we bought when there was extreme fear in the market. Right now, we're going to sell when there's excitement in the market. And that excitement is not going to last forever. So right now, as the market is going to higher values, the best thing for you to do will be to take some profits, because one thing is sure, we're going to eventually see some dumps gobbling town. Yes, I'm very, very bearish on Bitcoin spot ETF getting approved. Guys, over the years, we have seen Wall Street come to crypto, and every time Wall Street have come to crypto has not been a very, very good experience for the cryptocurrency market. And I don't think this time is different. We saw them in 2017. The CME futures was launched. What happened after that? Bitcoin had a huge dump to gobbling town in 2021. Coinbase became a public company. We had a little dump, but the big dump came after we saw Pro Shares launch by November of 2021. A dump came, and right now we're hearing about spot Bitcoin ETF. I will not be shocked if that eventually leads us to a huge dump in gobbling town. If you want to buy yourself some Bitcoin, guys, you can do that on Binance, on OKX, on Coinbase Exchange, on Gate.io, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. If you take a look at Bitcoin dominance, right now above $900 billion, I'll not be shocked if Bitcoin's market cap is around $900 billion. I'll not be shocked if Bitcoin's market cap rally to as high as $1 billion before the end of January. But guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How bullish are you on Bitcoin for the month of January? Do you think we're near that dump, or do you think Bitcoin has enough leg probably to pump to new all-time highs? Maybe Mr. Legend is just very, very bearish. I want to hear your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.